What's going on? Oh my, I know. Hi, Ellie here, and today I'm cooking in the Ooni Karu 12 with the original Ooni gas burner, not the new gas burner, and that's why I don't need a chimney, which is exactly why I'm cooking with it. But I'm going to be using it to make my favourite garlic bread using pizza dough. I'm going to add some hot honey on it as well. Let's do it. Garlic bread can be any shape you want, and I just use whatever size dough ball I've got left. I'm using pizza dough. Gotta make sure that it's not too long so it doesn't come off your pizza peel edge. So let's put some of this on, drizzle it. Garlic bread with hot honey. I'm gonna get this in now. I think that stone's, it says it's 410 degrees Celsius at the back. Look at that. What is going on? Oh my, I know, it's my butter running off. That's all right. It'll burn off quick. I'll stick the wood fire on and that will be gone in no time. Woohoo! I think I might have put too much butter on this one. Also, I might have turned the flame down too far. I was getting the stone to reduce in temperature and I left it on low. I just turned it up a bit. It's medium now. With the original Ooni 3 gas burner in the Karu 12. Not the new gas burner. And that's why I don't have the chimney on. Actually, that's cooking it too fast. Keep it on low. I'm keeping it on low. popped up in the middle. Let's get this on here. Please let me know which one you prefer. Here's the one I made in the Coda 16, which is flatter and thinner, or this one in the Karu 12, which I made more bubbly and thicker. Which one do you prefer the look of? They'll both taste the same because they both the same butter and the same garlic and the same dough. Please let me know in the comments below, puffier or flatter. I think this cook with the gas has kind of singed some of my garlic that went closer to the ceiling, but the bits down below are fine. Okay, it's definitely really nice with the honey on. I got this from the Ooni shop, bought it myself in the sale, but it's on there. Oh, I tell you what's happened. It's the honey. Aeroplane. Got a really low aeroplane. I could see them. The garlic has absorbed the sweet honey and it is so good. That's why it's gone a bit burnt on the top. That's the sugar from the honey. I mean, oh, let's try that bit. That's the base. Let's try it. Oh my god, delicious, beautiful, tasty. I just love garlic and honey. You're outside making pizza and you've got a spare piece of dough, just put this in. Oh, a lovely accompaniment. Even though I'm using the gas burner, I get full of charcoal on my arms from the wood burner, but I'm going to burn that off with the wood fired burner, so that's going to be okay, because I'm going to show you what it looks like right now. See how bad that is? But I will update it once I put the wood fire on. I'll show you how clean that can come up, or not. We'll find out. I really messed up. It's my stone. Look at that. Hello. Say hello. I've got to clean this up and I'm going to burn it off with the wood. So basically I'm just going to get this oven hot to about 500 degrees centigrade so I can burn off the stone. What a difference compared to what it was. Look at that now. I've got all the fat off from the stone via the heat from the oven. Isn't that amazing how easy that burns off? So if you ever really make a mess of your pizza stone with butter or debris, if you've got the wood-fired Karu 12, you have no problem getting that clean again. Subscribe for more videos, smash the like button if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.